Today we're tackling an intriguing aspect of dating: how older men can flirt with younger women effectively and respectfully. What seems like a harmless or charming gesture can often be misunderstood, creating awkwardness. I'm here to steer you clear of these common missteps and share strategies that hit the right note. And don't miss the ending. I've got a special bonus tip to change your dating life. It's a gem of advice you'll definitely want to hear. 1. Create exciting experiences. Guys, when you're flirting with a younger woman, it's not just about what you say, it's about what you do. This is where creating exciting experiences comes in. You want to plan dates or moments that are not just fun but memorable. Think beyond the typical dinner and a movie. The goal here is to create experiences that stand out and that show her a side of life she might not see often. Now, I'm not saying you have to break the bank or do something extravagant every time. Sometimes, the most unique experiences are simple but thoughtful. It could be a walk in a part of town she's never explored, a visit to a quirky museum, or even a cooking class. It's about doing something different, something that breaks the routine. Excitement also comes from spontaneity. Surprise her with an impromptu outing. It shows that you're fun and adventurous, but also thoughtful and considerate. Remember, it's the experience and the thought behind it that counts, not how much you spend. And here's the thing about exciting experiences. They don't just entertain, they also create shared memories. These are the moments that help build a connection. In these shared experiences, you can show your personality, your interests, and what makes you you. Also, let her have a say in the planning. This isn't just about impressing her, it's about creating experiences together. Find out what she likes and what excites her. This shows that you value her opinion and are interested in what makes her happy. 2. Genuine connection over materialism. Remember this golden rule: genuine connection trumps materialism every time. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that splurging on expensive gifts or flashy dates is the way to a woman's heart. But let me tell you, while treating someone is nice, it's the emotional connection that really counts. It's about showing interest in her as a person, not just as a date. Listen to her stories and ask about her dreams and ambitions. This kind of genuine, two-way conversation builds a far more valuable connection than any fancy dinner or designer gift. And here's an important point: don't try to impress her with your wealth or status. Being financially stable is attractive, but it shouldn't be the focal point of your interaction. If she's interested in you, it's for who you are, not what you have. Remember, a relationship built on material things is on shaky ground. Understand the balance. It's nice to treat her occasionally, but it's equally important to let her contribute in her own way. This creates a dynamic of mutual respect and equality. Make your interactions about connecting on a personal level. This approach makes your relationship more fulfilling and sets a solid foundation for its growth. 3. Engage with respectful physical contact. Navigating physical contact can be like walking a tightrope, especially when flirting with younger women. It's essential, but it's got to be done right. The goal is to show interest without overstepping boundaries. Start small and pay attention to her reactions. A light touch on the arm when you're laughing together, a gentle guide on her back as you walk through a door. These are subtle ways to establish a physical connection. But, and this is crucial, always be mindful of her comfort and boundaries. Her body language will tell you a lot. If she leans into your touch or reciprocates, that's a good sign. If she seems uncomfortable or pulls away, then step back. Respect her space. Think of physical contact as a way to enhance the connection you're building, not as an end goal. It's about expressing interest and creating a sense of closeness. When done right, it can be a powerful tool in flirting, but it's all about the context and ensuring she feels comfortable and safe. It's also important to remember that every person is different. What might be an acceptable form of physical contact for one person could be off-putting for another. It's about adapting to the individual and the unique dynamic you share. Add warmth and intimacy to your interactions without making her feel pressured or uneasy. It's a subtle art, and getting it right can make a big difference in how your flirting is perceived. 4. Use humor and tease lightly. When it comes to flirting, a little humor goes a long way. Light teasing and playful banter can add a spark to your interactions. Be fun and engaging, and show that you don't take yourself too seriously. But it's important to keep it light and friendly. The goal is to make her laugh and feel at ease, not to make her uncomfortable. First things first, gauge her sense of humor. What makes her laugh? Is she into witty, sarcastic comments? Or does she prefer more straightforward humor? Adapt your style to match hers. If she's teasing you back and laughing, that's a great sign. It means she's comfortable and enjoying the interaction. Now, a word of caution. Steer clear of sensitive topics. Jokes about age differences, for instance, can be tricky. What you intend as lighthearted could come across as self-conscious or, worse, offensive. Stick to neutral, playful topics where you can both have a laugh without any risk of misunderstanding. Remember, teasing is a two-way street. It's not just about making jokes at her expense. It should be reciprocal, a way of flirting that builds a connection. If she teases you back, that's a good indicator she's comfortable and engaged. Humor and teasing add a playfulness layer that can enhance your connection, but always be mindful of her reactions and feelings. Keep it fun, keep it respectful, and you'll find that humor can be a powerful tool in building attraction. Before we dive into our next point, if you're finding value in this video, a like and a quick comment go a long way. I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. 5. Keeping the mystery alive. There's something incredibly appealing about a bit of mystery. It's not about being secretive or elusive, but rather about not revealing everything about yourself all at once. Think of it like a good book. You want to keep her turning the pages to find out more, not give away the whole story in the first chapter. So, how do you do this? Start by sharing bits and pieces of your life and experiences over time, not all in one go. This could be stories from your travels, exciting things about your job, or unique hobbies you have. The idea is to pique her interest and make her eager to know more. Another way to keep the mystery is to be unpredictable in a good way. I'm talking about surprising her with your ideas for a date or a thoughtful gesture she didn't see coming. It shows you're full of surprises and keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. But balance is crucial. You don't want to be so mysterious that she feels like she doesn't know you at all. It's about creating intrigue while still being open and honest. The mystery should be enticing, not confusing. Also, this approach keeps your interactions fun and playful. It adds an element of discovery to the relationship, where she feels like she's constantly learning new, exciting things about you. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the thrill of slowly uncovering the layers of someone's personality? Maintaining a bit of mystery is like adding a dash of spice to your flirting. It makes things interesting, keeps her engaged, and makes your time together feel like an adventure. 6. Encourage her independence. When flirting with younger women, an essential aspect to keep in mind is respecting and encouraging their independence. Remember, a healthy relationship, regardless of age, is based on mutual respect and support, not dependency. Encouraging her independence means acknowledging and supporting her personal goals, interests, and social life. It's about being an ally in her journey, not an obstacle. You should be her cheerleader for her ambitions, whether that's her career, education, or personal passions. Show genuine interest in what she's doing. Ask her about her goals, listen to her plans, and offer support or advice when asked. It's not about guiding her on what to do, but supporting her choices. Another aspect is to avoid being overprotective or paternal. While it's natural to want to help and protect those we care about, there's a fine line between caring and controlling. You don't want to come off as trying to parent her. Treat her as an equal, not someone who needs to be guided or supervised. Encouraging her independence is about respecting her as an individual with her own life, dreams, and aspirations. It's about being a supportive partner who adds value to her life without trying to overshadow or control it. This approach helps build a strong and healthy relationship and shows that you are confident and secure in yourself. Bonus point. After discussing how to flirt respectfully and effectively, let's leave you with crucial advice. The significance of embracing and celebrating the unique qualities of the younger woman you're interested in. Each person brings their unique blend of experiences, thoughts, and personality to a relationship. Recognizing and appreciating what makes her distinctive shows your genuine interest and enriches your interaction. It's not just about being attracted to her youthfulness, but valuing her for her individual perspectives, talents, and dreams. Ask about her interests, listen to her stories, and show appreciation for her uniqueness. This approach fosters a deeper, more meaningful connection. It demonstrates that you value her for who she is beyond just age or appearance. Remember, a relationship thrives when both individuals feel recognized and valued for their unique selves. As we conclude this guide on flirting techniques, why not delve deeper into relationship dynamics? Up next, discover what draws younger women to older guys, or learn how to get a woman's attention. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.